This is K6RAU in Merced, California. In this code instruction course so far, we have studied 23 characters. In this session, we will take up 3 new characters, but before doing so, let us review some of the 23 characters we have studied. We will send a character, and we will give you the answer after a pause, after the character is sent. Try to copy the character before the answer is given. These will include some of the 23 characters we have studied so far, so everybody copy. That was Mike. That was Fox. That was Love. That was Dog. That was Uncle. That was Peter. That was Charlie. That was William. That was George. That was Uncle. That was Dog. We find that some students have difficulty with some of the characters. That is a character which may be the opposite to another character, or may be similar in sound, at least to them. So the characters we have sent so far in this short review are those which may be difficult to some of you. You will note that Fox and Love are the opposite. You will note that William and George are also the opposite. You will note that Uncle and Dog are opposite to one another. Now, our purpose here in having this review before we take up the 3 new characters in this session is to more thoroughly acquaint you with these particular characters which some students out there are having difficulty with, according to reports we have received. Now then, we are going to concentrate on Fox and Love, William and George, and Uncle and Dog. Also included in this group will be Charlie and Peter. Now, this is Fox. This is Love. You don't have to copy, just listen. Note the similarity, but they are opposite to one another. This is Fox. This is Love. Now take William and George. This is William. This is George. This is William. This is George. Concentrate on the sound each time. Just listen, do not copy. Now the similarity between Uncle and Dog. U as in Uncle is D as in Dog is. Now Charlie and Peter causes some difficulty also. This is Charlie. This is Peter. This is Charlie. This is Peter. All right, now back to Fox again. This is Fox. This is Love. This is William. This is George. This is Uncle. This is Dog. This is Charlie. This is Peter. This is K6RAU. We will now study 3 new characters: the period, B as in Baker, and J as in Jig. Listen carefully to the sound of each. This is the period. This is B as in Baker. This is J as in Jig. Now we will send each character 3 times. Print or write them down. Do not simply listen. And listen for the sound before you copy, even though you know that the next character will be the same. First will be the period 3 times. Copy each time, but concentrate on the sound each time. Ready? Copy. This is B as in a Baker. Listen to the sound and copy each time. 3 times we will send Baker. Ready? Copy. We will now send J as in Jig 3 times. Listen to the sound and copy each time. Ready? Copy. All right, there are the 3 new characters, period, B as in Baker, and J as in Jig. All right, now we will send Baker, Jig, and the period in a group. Each character will be sent individually, and after a pause, the answer will be given. Try to copy the character before the answer is given. Remember the basic rule: never copy the character after the answer is given, because you're listening to the voice transmission, not to the code transmission in doing so. Ready? Everybody copy. That was period. That was Baker. That was Jig. That was Jig. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was period. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was Jig. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Jig. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was Jig. That was Jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. And that was Jig. This is K6RAU in Merced, California. Now continuing with our three new characters, period, Baker, and Jig, we will now send a group, and the answers will be given at the end of the group. These will include only period, Baker, and Jig. Ready? Everyone copy. Those characters were Baker, Jig, 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 Baker, and period. Now another group, using the same characters. The answers will be given at the end of the group. Everyone, please copy. Those characters were Jig, Baker, Jig, Baker, Baker, and Baker. Now still one more group, sent in the same manner. The answers will be given at the end of the group. Ready? Everyone copy. Those characters were Baker, 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 Jig, Jig, and Baker. Now we will have a slight deviation here. This time we will give you some characters in the clear, and you will please copy them on your paper. So copy these characters on your paper. Just write these letters down on your paper from left to right. Do not write the dots and dashes. Just write these now as follows. Baker, Baker, Jig, Jig, Baker, and Baker. Now you have those written on your paper. Now just listen. We're going to send that group of characters, and while you're watching your copy, concentrate on the sound of each of these characters. Here we go. Everyone watch and listen. All right, again, copy these characters in clear text on your paper. Copy these now. Jig, Jig, Baker, Jig, Jig, and Baker. All right, now watch your copy as that group is now being sent. Listen, concentrate on the sound. We will now have a review of some of the 25 characters we have studied. We will send a group, and we will give you the answers at the end of the group. So everyone copy. Those characters were Baker, Jig, Abel, Dog, Charlie, and Peter. Now another group sent in the same manner. Everyone copy. The answers will be given at the end of the group. Ready? Copy. Those characters were Nan, Nan, Abel, Abel, Peter, Peter, Charlie, Charlie, and period. Here now is another group sent in the same manner. The answers will be given at the end of the group. Ready? Everyone copy. Those characters were Jig, Baker, Jig, 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 Baker, and period. Now we will send another group with the answers at the end of the group, but this time each character will be sent twice. Copy it only once, but concentrate on the sound each time. Ready? Copy. Those characters were Peter, Charlie, Dog, Abel, Jig, and Baker. Now another group sent in the same manner. Each character will be repeated. Copy it only once. Concentrate on the sound each time. Ready? Copy. Those characters were Baker, Jig, Jig, Baker, Jig, Jig, and period. This is amateur radio station K6RAU in Merced, California. Now we will have a review of all 25 characters we have studied. Each character will be sent, then after a slight pause the answer will be given. Remember the basic rule. Copy the character before the answer is given, and if you do not recognize the sound, leave a blank space and listen for the next character. Ready? Everyone copy. That was easy. That was William. That was William. That was George. That was George. That was love. That was love. That was slant sign. That was slant sign. That was jig. That was jig. That was Baker. That was Baker. That was Charlie. That was Charlie. That was Peter. That was Peter. That was Roger. That was Roger. That was Abel. That was Abel. That was 5. That was how. That was the number 5. That was how. That was sugar. That was fox. That was fox. That was love. That was love. That was love. That was fox. That was George. That was William. That was Peter. That was Charlie. And that was Charlie. This is K6RAU in Merced, California. Now we want you to copy on your paper the following characters as I will read them to you. Copy it on your paper. Do not copy any dots and dashes or try to interpret them. This is in the clear, so just copy these following letters or characters on your paper. Fox, love, George, George, William, Abel, dog, Charlie, Peter, William, fox, fox, love, Charlie, Charlie, Peter, Peter, Mike, oboe, tear, easy, slant sign, period, uncle, and dog. Now you should have 25 characters on your paper. Fox, love, George, George, William, Abel, dog, Charlie, Peter, William, fox, fox, love, Charlie, Charlie, Peter, Peter, Mike, oboe, tear, easy, slant sign, period, uncle, and dog. Now watching your copy, we will send those characters from left to right. Do not copy, just watch your copy. This, in learning the International Morse Code, is as important as approaching a railway crossing at grade. Now watch, look, and listen. There you have those 25 characters which you had copied on your paper. Now we're going to send them in reverse order. This time we're going to insert 3 deliberate errors in the sending of these particular characters. They will be in reverse order. Again, watch, look, and listen, and if you think that the character being sent in code is not the character you have on your paper, put a little check mark above it and see if you end up with just 3 improperly sent characters here. Now, watch your copy now and concentrate on the sound. The same thing will be sent now, but in reverse order, beginning with dog and going to the left. Ready? Watch, look, and listen, and watch for the errors. All right, now how many of you caught the fact that there were not 3 errors, there were only 2 errors there? So, reading from left to right, the correct copy is Fox, Love, George, George, William, Abel, Dog, Charlie, Peter, William, Fox. Then there, at that point, Uncle was sent instead of Fox. Then Love, Charlie, Charlie, Peter. Then at this point, Charlie instead of Peter was sent. Then Mike, Oboe, Tear, Easy, Slant Sign, period, Uncle, and Dog. In our next session, we will study 2 new characters. These are K as in King and V as in Victor.